Hi, so let me show you how you can use your presets and download them in the Lightroom Classic desktop version. So we go here to the develop module, then make sure you search here on the left side where you can find presets. You click on the plus sign, you go to import presets. You will find your presets on your download folder, or depending to the settings of your browser. And I just imported the dream collection. You can see it down here. So you can just start testing it out on the picture that you want to edit. So I think I would go for obsidian. And now I can just start adjusting according to the picture that I have. So for example, here I think I can lower the highlights a little bit. I think I should also straighten the picture a little bit. And I think I would like the shadows to be more intense. Like this. You can also change temperature or whatever you think it would fit best to the picture that you're editing. Remember, each picture is different, so you can just change accordingly. Also, you have the option here to make the preset a little bit less intense, so you can just, for example, choose here and you can lower the intensity, so you can just adjust however you like it the most. I hope you enjoy your presets.